my dear students, how is class primary 6B and how is class primary 6C? I hope you are fine and I hope you have had a great days of school because it was like a bank holiday or something like that because there was no school on Monday or on Friday, so I don't know if it is a bank holiday. I think it's a bank holiday festival, so I hope you're fine now. Okay, so cuando hay una fiesta se dice bank holiday, porque en realidad lo que significaría que es una fiesta de los bancos. Entonces we have had two bank holiday and then the weekend. Y luego el fin de semana, que eso es completamente normal y corriente. Así que, for example, the 1st of May was a bank holiday and the 4th of May was a bank holiday also, okay? Good. So let's go. What's the day today? Today is not Monday. Today is Tuesday, yes? Tuesday, the 5th. Remember the ordinal numbers. The 5th of May of the year 2020, okay? And how is the weather today? Is it sunny? Do you think it's cloudy? Is it cloudy with sun clears? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Or is it foggy? Because I don't know. I am recording this video on the 3rd of May. Yes, and it's very hot. But I don't know on the 5th of May if the temperature and the weather will be the same. Okay? So now, let's see now what happens in this case. So when we talk about the weather, we have to consider the temperature also, okay? So let's see how is the temperature when it's for example, one moment please, is hot when the temperature is between 30 and 40 degrees, okay? It's warm when the temperature is between 20 and 30 degrees, and is cool when the temperature is between 17 and 20 degrees, and is cold when we have 16 degrees or less, okay? So today is Sunday, the 3rd of May. This is the day when I am recording this video, and the temperature is very high. So today is very hot for me. And in relation to the season, what season is it? Let's see the season. Is it spring or is it summer, autumn or winter? In my case, or in our case, obviously, is spring because we are having spring. Yes, it's obviously spring. Okay, so let's go with the registration because we have to do it, and let's check if everybody is in the class. So as we are a very big class, I'm going to do the registration, with both classes. So primary 6B and primary 6C, okay? So let's check if everybody is. So this is going to be a registration, okay? Folder, and let's go. Is Paloma here? Yes, she is. Is Zaira here? Yes, she is. Is Yasmina here? Yes, she is. Is Enrique here? Yes, he is. Is Elizabeth here? Yes, she is. Is Noé here? Yes, he is. Is Alejandro here? Yes, he is. Is Juanmi here? Yes, he is. Is Nayara here? Yes, she is. Is Julia here? Yes, she is. Is Nazare here? Yes, she is. Is David here? Yes, he is. Is Alfonso here? Yes, he is. Is Manuel here? Yes, he is. Is Judy here? Yes, she is. Is Yasneli here? Yes, she is. Is Samuel here? Yes, he is. Is Guillermo here? Yes, he is. And is Antonio Manuel here? Yes, he is. Okay? And now, finally, we are going to check all the students in primary 6. This is the registration, okay? the registration folder, okay? And we are going to check, is Ainhoa here? Yes, she is. Is Sofia here? Yes, she is. Is Antonio Carmona here? Yes, he is. Is Alberto here? Yes, he is. Is Jesus Angel here? Yes, he is. Is Carmen Cortez here? Yes, she is. Is Mari here? Yes, she is. Is Luis here? Yes, he is. Is Mireia here? Yes, she is. Is Ainara here? Yes, she is. Is Jonathan here? Yes, he is. Is Jasmine here? Yes, she is. Is Daniela here? Yes, she is. Is Jesus Prieto here? Yes, he is. Is Sandra here? Yes, she is. Is Alvaro here? Yes, he is. Is Maria del Carmen here? Yes, she is. Is Nayara here? Yes, she is. Is Jose Antonio here? Yes, he is. And is Carmen Torres here? Yes, she is. Okay, so we have all the registration ready, and now let's go to our tasks. Let's continue with our work. Okay, that's great. Let's go. Okay. So, last day I was explaining the difference. Excuse me, but I don't know why this is not bigger. Excuse me one moment, okay? I think that I do it very big. I don't know why. I try to press it and I can maximize this, but I don't know why. So remember the difference between lots of. Yes, lot of is used for countable and uncountable. Some the same for countable and uncountable. A few only for countable and a little for uncountable. And then we have any for negative and interrogative questions. And don't forget that there is for uncountable or singular, and there are is for countable, okay? Do you remember that? All right? Yes? Okay, great. So we are going to do some activities from the activity book because we didn't do this. Look and write sentences with there is, there isn't, or there are, okay? Let's go. So there is a little olive oil and we can use lots of, some, any, lots of, or a few, okay? You can use all of this. And in the other box, we have bread, biscuits, biscuits again, cheese, sausages, chilies, and jam. So do this exercise unless we are going to correct it later, okay? Okay, so you finish your exercise. Let's go and try to correct it. Okay, let's go. In exercise number 1, there is a little olive oil and some chilies, or there are lots of chilies. Okay? Very good. In exercise number 2, what do you say? There are some biscuits and there isn't any jam. Or there are a few biscuits and there isn't any jam. Yes? If you wrote some biscuits, it's good, okay? It's possible to say there are a few biscuits or there are some biscuits and there isn't any jam. In the other one, there is some bread and there are lots of sausages. There is some bread and there are lots of sausages. In the other one, we can say there are some biscuits, okay? And there is some cheese. or a little cheese. There are lots of biscuits and there is some cheese, okay? You can say lots of or some, okay? Because there are lots, but there are 5. So if there are 5, you can say some also, okay? So you have all this exercise. Is it completed? Okay, very good. Now we continue. Sorry, excuse me, because I closed it and I didn't have the intention of doing it. Okay, oh, sorry again, excuse me. All right, so in this exercise, listen to Dex and May talking about this sandwich. Tick the food you hear, okay? So listen to Dex and May talking about this sandwich. Tick the food you hear. Escuchamos a Des y a May hablando sobre el sándwich de Des y le ponemos un tick a la comida que oigamos, ¿ok? Here we go.
Listening 53. Listen to Dex and May talking about Dex's sandwich. Tick the food you hear.
I've got the tastiest sandwich in the world. The tastiest sandwich in the world? What's in it? Well, there are 2 burgers. 2 burgers? Yes, and there's some cheese and some salad. Is there lots of salad? No, just a little salad. Anything else? There are a few chilies and there's a secret ingredient. A secret ingredient? What is it? Chips! There are some chips in my sandwich. Oh, Dex.
Okay, so let's go. Listen to Dex and May talking about the sandwich. Tick the food you hear, okay? All right, so what food did you hear? All right, so burgers, cheese, tomatoes, chilies, and chips. All right? Is it correct? But the sandwich doesn't contain ham or mushrooms or tomatoes. Okay? Do you understand? Is it good? That's great to know, okay? Very good. And finally, we are going to continue with the last exercise. Listen again, write about this sandwich. In this sandwich, there are 2 burgers. ¿Ok? ¿Qué vamos a hablar sobre el sándwich de Des? Pues tenemos que completar con lo que hemos escuchado anteriormente, pues tenemos que decir que lleva, there are 2 burgers. But listen again, pero escuchamos otra vez.
Listening 53. Listen to Dex and May talking about Dex's sandwich. Tick the food you hear.
I've got the tastiest sandwich in the world. The tastiest sandwich in the world? What's in it? Well, there are 2 burgers. 2 burgers? Yes, and there's some cheese and some salad. Is there lots of salad? No, just a little salad. Anything else? There are a few chilies and there's a secret ingredient. A secret ingredient? What is it? Chips! There are some chips in my sandwich. Oh, Dex.
Okay, so now you have to complete what the sandwich contains. Tenemos que poner qué contiene su sándwich. Y eso lo tenéis que hacer cada uno solo y escribirlo en el cuaderno y ya lo corrijo yo. ¿Vale? Do you understand? Okay, perfect. And we are going to continue because we go to lesson number 3, Totally Culture Film. Okay, are you ready to watch it? Let's go.
I'm Clive Live, and you're watching Totally Culture. In today's programme, we're going totally markets. Hello, sir. Welcome to my market stall. Would you like a jar of homemade jam? It's strawberry. Or would you like a packet of flour? I've got a packet of pasta, a bottle of olive oil, or perhaps you'd like some butter? I don't know. You think about it while we see what Tom likes to buy at the market.
Hi, I'm Tom, and I'm from South London. Every Saturday, I go to Borough Market with my dad. Borough Market is my favourite market because there is food from all over the world. There are lots of interesting stalls and cafes. You can buy your groceries here. Vegetables, spices, olive oil, or chilies. This is chili powder. It's made from Naga chilies. They're the hottest chilies you can eat. You can also buy your lunch and eat it at the market. Yum! This is a cheese stall. This stall sells cheese from France. We sometimes buy cheese here. This cheese is difficult to cut. On the cheese stall, there are big cheeses, pots of cheese, and homemade yogurts. There is a meat stall. Some burgers cost £1 each, others cost £2. This is a bakery stall. Look, you can buy bread made with olive oil. This lady is buying some bread from France. Bread is called pain in French. This is olive oil and rosemary bread. We buy a loaf of this bread every week. It's delicious with butter and cheese. There are lots of great stalls in Borough Market, but this man and woman are at my favourite stall, the cake stall. This stall sells amazing cakes. The chocolate cake is my favourite.
I love chocolate cake too. And I love chocolate bars. And I love all kinds of chocolate.
Well, I haven't got any chocolate cake, Clive.
Oh.
But I have got a packet of chocolate biscuits.
Oh, yes, great. See you next time.
Bye.
Okay, did you like this video? It was amazing. I love Totally Culture's videos because we learn a lot about tradition, about culture, about so many different things, okay, that I really love it. So now we are going to read and listen, and then where can you try food before buying it? Okay, let's see.
Listening 54. Read and listen. 1.
This is Shepherd's Bush Market in London. It's more than 100 years old. You can buy food from all around the world here. There are some packets of tea from India and jars of English jam next to bottles of Spanish olive oil. You can buy falafels and Nepalese food. The smell is wonderful. I love Indian curry and Chinese noodles. Can you buy these dishes at the market?
2.
My family goes to this market on the second Saturday of every month. It's a traditional farmers market where local farmers sell lots of different things. There are vegetables, cakes, and fruit pies. My favourite stall sells cheese. You can try different types without paying. Yum! I'd like a fruit pie, please. When I go to a new place, I always try the local food.
3.
I'm from Bangkok, and I really like the Amphoe floating market. It's 50 kilometres outside Bangkok, and people sell food and flowers from wooden boats. It gets busy, so it's best to go early in the morning. I go there a lot, because my uncle has got a shop next to the canal. Wow, a floating market! It sounds amazing! I want to go!
Okay, so could you understand? Yes, I imagine. Where can you try food before buying it? ¿Dónde podemos comprar comida antes? ¿Dónde podemos probar comida antes de comprarla? In what market? So, where is it? In what market can we do it? Do you know? Yes? You can try different types without paying. Maybe it's in North Wales? Yes, it's in North Wales. You can try before buying the food. Okay? So now you are going to do this exercise. Exercise number 2. Read again and say London Market, Farmers Market, or Thai Market. Okay? Let's go. Okay, so read again and choose London Market, Farmers Market, or Thai Market. So here is the information, and now you have to select. Okay, ya lo habéis hecho, pues ahora lo vamos a corregir. Parad, no hagáis trampa y no se os ocurra no pensarlo antes, sino copiar las respuestas, porque en realidad a mí me podéis engañar, pues claro que sí, pero en realidad los que más os engañáis sois vosotros. ¿De acuerdo? Ok. This market sells international food. Which one? London Market. This market opens once a month. Este mercado abre una vez al mes. Farmers Market. This market is on the water. Thai Market. Sí, que está en el agua. You can buy tea here. Podemos comprar té aquí. Where is it? Oh, excuse me, what is this? I don't know. London Market. The blogger goes there a lot. Thai Market. You can buy homemade cakes here. Farmers Market. The blogger likes the smell here. London Market. They sell flowers as well as food here. Thai Market. ¿Ok? Bueno, espero que lo hayáis tenido bien. Y ahora os voy a plantear un project voluntario, ¿vale? ¿Quién quiere hacernos un project sobre an interesting market? Un mercado interesante. ¿Vale? Pues intentad hacernos un proyecto, el que quiera voluntariamente, con Genially o con vídeo, como quiera, sobre un mercado que haya interesante en algún lugar del mundo. You look for information through the internet and then you show us, ¿ok? O que vendan cosas interesantes o algo que vosotros queráis. Esto es voluntario, como yo sé que a muchos de vosotros gustan hacer los proyectos, pues lo hacéis. Pero si no tenéis ganas de hacerlo, no os voy a obligar, ¿ok? So, bye bye, see you next lesson. Bye bye, my dear students.